Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add text to a sticker. First, you'll want to find an image. You can draw this on your own or use a picture, but I just googled Disney Castle and I really liked this image, so I'm first going to click on it, right click, and go to Save Image As, and you can save it as whatever name you want. Next, I'm going to go to a website called remove.bg and I'm going to drag my image onto the site. And what this will do is remove the background. Once it's done, I'm going to hit download and it should download here. Now on Cricut Design Space, I'm going to upload the image. So I'm going to click on upload, upload image, and then you'll have to look for your picture. Okay, now I'm going to hit complex and we shouldn't need to do anything here. So I'm going to hit continue. And we're going to use the print then cut image. Next, I'm going to insert the image onto the canvas and you can resize it here. So let's say we want it a little bit bigger. Next, you're going to select text and you can change the font. I usually click on system because I don't have Cricut access, so I don't want to pay for any of these fonts. And my favorite font is Cream Candy, so I'm just going to search for that. You can get a lot of free fonts at dafont.com and I'll leave links for the website and for Cream Candy down below. Next, you're going to type in whatever text you want to add. So here I've typed Disneyland, and since the spacing's a little big, I'm going to go up here into letter space, change that to 0. And if you zoom in, you can see that it's still not connected. So I'm going to click the down arrow until it looks good. So here you can see that they're a lot more connected. So I can scroll back out and you can align this wherever you want. Next, I'm going to take a screenshot, but I don't want to have the grid background, so I'm going to go to the 3 bars on the top left, click on settings, and for canvas grid, I'm going to select no grid. That way the background is completely white. Next, I'm going to take a screenshot, so I'm going to click on the Windows button down here and type in snipping tool. And it should automatically search and find the application for you. This little window should pop up, so next I'm going to click on new and take a screenshot of my image. This should pop up and this is what your screenshot is, so I'm going to click on save and I'll call this Disneyland sticker and hit save. Next we're going to go to photopea.com. I'm going to open the image from my computer because I want to click on the magic wand, or you can hit W on your keyboard and select any of the white empty space and hit delete on your computer. So what that did was delete all of extra white space that we don't want. Next, we're going to go to layer style and stroke, and this is where we can add our white outline. Here you can change the size or you can type in a number. Once you're happy with the size, you can change the color here. I want to make this white and hit OK. So if you can see, there's some blank space right here and it will get cut out. If you want that, that's fine. If not, what you'll have to do is click on this button down here. It's called new layer and we're going to drag it underneath. Next, I'm going to select the brush tool, or you can hit B on your computer, and then I'm going to fill in that empty space. Once you're happy with how this looks, we're going to go to File, Export as PNG. Back on Cricut Design Space, I can now delete all this because I don't need it anymore. And then I'm going to upload my new image. So I'm going to go to Upload Image, open the sticker that we just made, click on Complex. And again, we shouldn't need to do anything in this step. We can just hit Continue because it already has a transparent background. We're going to select Print Then Cut and Upload. So here's our sticker. If you want, you can go back to Settings and put in the grid. And you can adjust the size here. You can also type it in the top. I would not unlock it, so I would just keep this locked. And let's say if you want this to be 4 inches wide, I would just change that to 4. That just makes sure that the proportion doesn't change. So you can duplicate this or fill in as many different stickers that you want to make. Once you're happy with everything, you're going to select Make It. This is what your page will look like once you print it out. We're going to hit Continue. Okay, so I need to first print this. I'm going to send to printer. I'm going to turn off bleed because we have that white outline. And I'm going to turn on use system dialog. Here I'm going to go into preferences and change the print quality to high. Once you've printed and turned on your Cricut machine, I set my dial to custom. You'll select the material based on what kind of stickers you want to make. If you want to make sticker sheets, use sticky note. And if you want to make die cut stickers, use photo paper and set the pressure to more. That way it cuts through the entire paper. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!